Solving quadratic inequalities are just like solving quadratic equations, except it's an inequality and we are going to get an answer in an inequality form. We can graph our answer on a number line and so on. But first you want to treat it like a regular old quadratic. Our first example, x squared minus 4x minus 12 less than or equal to 0. I kind of want to pretend it is equal to 0 for now. So I'm going to rewrite it equal to 0. X squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. I'll come back to that inequality sign later. Quadratic equations we solve by factoring. So let's see, this is x minus 6 and x plus 2 equals 0. X minus 6 equals 0, x plus 2 equals 0. We get x equals 6 and x equals negative 2. And I always like to draw a number line at this point. And these two numbers are on the number line. Negative 2 goes on the left and positive 6 goes on the right. And then we get circles above them. And now we go back to our inequality sign. The sign was less than or equal to. And since it's equal to, that means our circles are shaded in. And since it's less than, we connect the two circles. If it's less than, you connect them. If it's greater than, you have arrows pointing in opposite direction. Now this, in inequality form, would be written as negative 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 6. X is between negative 2 and 6 with less than or equal to signs, just like the original problem. The second example, x squared minus 9 is greater than 0. Again, if I just think of it as x squared minus 9 equals 0, factor it to x plus 3 and x minus 3, because we know it's a dots, and a dots is a quadratic. We get x equals negative 3, x equals positive 3. Negative 3 on the right, left, positive 3 on the right. And now these circles are going to stay open, meaning I'm not going to shade them in because my inequality symbol is not equal to, it's strictly greater than. But when it's greater than, I don't draw a line connecting them. I have to draw two lines in opposite directions. And then my answer is not x is between those two things, because x is not between them. It's that x is less than negative 3 or x is greater than positive 3.